Okay, I have a Jetta TDI. This is 2013 sedan, and today we're gonna change brakes, rear brake pads. I got this from Canadian Tire. It's a Motor Master. This is semi-metallic OE plus brake pads. They look like this. This is the number. This is how they look like, and they come with some organic grease. Okay, so what we'll need this one, jack to raise the car, and then to take off, we will need to take off the wheel. And for that, okay. We need this thing. This is the key. Okay, you can use this little thing to take off these things. Cups. I'm gonna put these things so the car wouldn't roll. Because we're gonna take off the wheels. Okay, next we put a jack. Next we're taking off the bolts. The car is also on handbrake, parking brake, so that it wouldn't roll back. Okay, it's stuck. The wheel got stuck. Can't take it off because okay, we took off the wheel. The wheel was stuck here with all these rusty things, and we used a 2x4 from this side that went all the way underneath the car, and we basically kicked the wheel out because it was stuck. You couldn't move it. It was stuck here. We used 2x4, kick the wheel out. Okay, what are we doing? Next we take off this bolt?
No, this one.
Okay.
This one.
This one we take off.
Ключ на 13.
Key is number 13.
13 millimeters.
13 millimeters.
Идет легко.
Okay.
здесь. Похоже, еще здесь надо.
Taking off this one here.
Это гайка. Это вот что такое? Гайка. Почему она здесь? Почему она здесь? Не знаю.
You use number 13 or 16?
This is 15. Для чего она нужна?
It's spinning.
Спин? Ага, окей. Все понятно. Короче, это вставляем 15 сюда.
Okay, the second one, the first one is 15, the other one is 13. Mm-hmm. Okay.
This is 13. Ага. Okay, the same idea with second one.
Second one is underneath.
Yep.
Okay.
Дальше мы снимаем вот эту штуку.
Taking it off, this thing. This is how it looks. Okay. And leaving it
Right here.
Okay.
And this is our pad.
This is our brake pad.
Okay. First we're gonna put this one.
Так, на чем крепится-то?
Вот. Он крепится вот на этих штучках. Вот на этих. Он просто вставляется вот сюда вот так вот. И все прижимается. Раз.
Okay, you just basically go and fit it this way on these little grooves. You might need to clean them, but that's it. And then there's one at the back.
Relax, the same idea.
Same idea in the back. And then you just make it close to, push it nice and close. So VW told me that I have a week left, and this is how much I have.
It's probably good for another 30,000 for sure.
And this is my car. I bought it new, and right now I have 100,000 kilometers. So this is how much I still have left in the back, and they told me that it will cost me $550 to replace the back pads. I got these ones brand new from Canadian Tire. They were like $80. These are pretty good quality one. I didn't buy the cheapest one. The cheapest ones were like $40. These ones were semi-metallic, pretty good quality ones.
Yeah. But now we have to
Okay,
do it.
put this one back.
Yeah, but first we need to push this one inside. So we have tool,
Oh,
special tool right here.
okay.
So you can use
That's the tool that costs
Yeah.
$500.
you have to
Oh, you can use the
you
brake
can,
pad?
you can use the brake pad, but we have tool which is good enough without brake pad. So it's just like gonna push this one inside.
Okay. So we put this thing back on. Now we're gonna put 2 bolts.
Yeah.
First one at the bottom. One on that side. It's at the bottom. This is oil?
Grease.
Grease. So it wouldn't stick. Okay. How did we connect this bolt?
What?
This one. So
We
use this one
use this one
and just squeezed it in with this one, right?
like this.
Just like this and okay. Okay. Now we're putting the wheel back on. Now
Okay, hold on.
That's it.
Одно сделали, бляха.
That's it. One is done. That's the new brake pad right there. Okay. So next, we need to start the car.
And
then
make
we need to pump the brakes.
yeah,
One. Oh wow, it's so soft.
soft.
2,
10 times
3,
until it's gonna be hard.
5,
До конца, till the end.
6.
Harder?
Yeah, becoming harder.
No, now you're gonna try make a circle and try how it's working. So how it is right now?
Very good.